Hi, my name is Nicole Sample, and I'm a former classroom teacher working with Hitachi Solutions. In this segment, we're going to be looking at how you can customize your toolbar so you have all of your functions right in one area. When I open my software, my toolbar will be there. To add a tool, I'm going to open my bottom menu with that triangle. My pop-out menu comes up. From here, I can choose one of these. I'm going to choose Tools, and in my Tools today, I'm going to grab my Fill tool. I can just touch it and drag it onto my toolbar. Now you notice that my Fill tool is on there. When I touch and highlight my Fill tool, I now have that capability. So as I touch my background, I can fill it with the color that is selected. When I want to remove a tool from a toolbar, I can touch and hold on it for a second. It will pop up. Then I can drag it out to my whiteboard space. From here, if I touch Remove button from Toolbar, you'll notice that that Fill tool is now gone. I can also create a tool on a page. If I'm doing a lesson where I want my students doing a lot of writing on the board, I can select my pen tool, touch and hold, and it will pop up. I can drag it onto that whiteboard space, and you'll see that one of my options is to create button on the page. Now when my students come up, they have that tool to use right in their own space. In addition to all the tools that are in the software, I can also add outside applications onto my toolbar. If I use my function key, I can toggle out to my desktop. And from here you can see I have a PowerPoint that I use for my lessons. If I touch and drag that onto the toolbar, it now appears there. When I move back to my software, you will see that PowerPoint is on there, and I can touch and it will launch that application. So I can move quickly to another aspect of my lesson. When I'm finished, I can close it out and I'm back in my lesson. One last feature I want to show you about the customizable toolbar is that you can actually save your toolbar as a profile. If you're a teacher who teaches multiple subjects, you can save a toolbar for each subject. The way you would do it is to open up Menu, Settings, Profile, and then I can choose Save Profile As. And you can save your profile anywhere on your computer. When you come in and you're ready to start your lesson, you can access that profile by the same steps. Menu, Setting, Profile, and now I would choose Load Profile.